Hello and welcome to another New Ideas video. Not a review as such, just something to show you what I've had to do to the MC3000 to make it work properly. Because like lots of other people, I've had the plastic posts inside break and the springs detach and then you can't use the charger anymore. So what I've done is add cable ties to each one, either through the long slot at the top of the board or, as I've done here, through the slightly smaller slot. It's a bit neater if you add it through there. Something else I discovered was that these screw thread holes are starting to break. The posts are starting to become more brittle, and as a result that one's all right. That one's disappeared completely, and with this one I've actually had to add some super glue to stop them breaking further, and I've actually had to do it to all the ones on the back as well. They're all starting to go. This is the fan that's included, a DC 15 volt 100 milliamp fan, brushless, connected there, but it's glued into place, but it's quite easy to break that glue. And the other thing I did was I added some silicone grease to the back of the sliders just to make things move a little bit easier. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.